Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor Cocktail. I am Bill, your Drunken Sailor, and today we are going to be shaking up a cocktail that is as bright as the springtime sunshine, it's as fresh as the air, and it's kind of like going to make you think of that party that your neighbor has every year. You're jealous that you don't get to go to. Don't be jealous. So come on over, have a seat at the bar, hit like, subscribe, let us know what you think of it, because we are going to make our own garden party. Before we start, let me introduce you to our guests of honor. Sitting at the head of the table, our guest of honor is a London dry gin. Today we're using Bombay Sapphire. And next, sitting to its side, is our dry vermouth. This is going to add to the botanical flavors and a level of complexity to this cocktail. We're going to follow that up, one more seat over, is agave nectar, a natural sweetener. And sitting at the end of the table are two different freshly squeezed citrus juices. We're using lemon and lime to help brighten it up. Now you see some flowers and some berries in there. Those are all going to add to that springtime garden party. So grab your shaker and let's get pouring. Now with YouTube magic, the rest of the things that we need to make this cocktail are here. We've got our shaker, and I'm going to put in there some freshly squeezed lime juice. We are going to use 1/2 of an ounce. I'm going to follow that up. We've got some freshly squeezed lemon juice. Once again, this is going to add brightness to it, and for that we are going to use 3/4 of an ounce. Now to balance out those citrus juices, we are going to use agave nectar, a natural sweetener, and for that we are going to use 1/2 of an ounce. Now we're getting towards the head of the table, and we're going to put in there our dry vermouth. Now this is a fortified wine, so after you open it, you want to make sure that you refrigerate it. We're going to use 1 ounce. Star of the show coming up, sitting at the head of the table, our dry gin, full of botanicals, full of flavor. We are going to use 2 ounces in there. As you can see, this is a great springtime martini, but a little bit different, in that we're not stirring this one, we're going to shake it. So, you can pretend you got James Bond at your garden party. This is everything that we need to go into that shaker. So let's ice it up and chill it down. We're going to give that a good 10-second shake. Let's get going. Now we're going to prepare our rocks glass. We're going to put in there halfway filled with ice. The only reason I'm half filling it with ice right now is I'm going to start our garnish part. And for that, we're going to slide a lemon slice right along the side of the glass. Now we're going to fill it the rest of the way with ice. Let's get that out of the way. And now we pour. I want to garnish now, so what better way to say springtime than to use a fresh berry? So we'll put that in there. And hey, it's a garden party, we need a flower. I saw some really nice azaleas today, so let's just drop one on there. And there we have today that martini that your neighbor is going to be jealous of, our very own garden party. Let's give this a taste. There's so many flavors in there. We've got that great botanical flavor in there. It's bright, it's fresh. Whether you're sitting at your garden party or sitting in the sun next to the pool, this is a martini cocktail that you're really going to enjoy. Cheers, everyone. We'll see you at the next cocktail.